guys, welcome back. So after sharing with you the features of the Fineliner, now I'm very excited to share with you what I call the Faux Calligraphy. Well, I didn't coin this, but this is actually a type of lettering wherein you're imitating, the calligraphy style. So basically, like this one, this was written with a brush pen, right? So with a brush calligraphy and everything. So learning this technique usually takes weeks, months, even years for some to master. What I like about the faux calligraphy is that, as long as you know how to write cursive, you know how to write these letters, actually even with print, but cursive, the script kind, will make it more elegant and beautiful. As long as you know how to write these letters, you're good to go, and you can do like a faux calligraphy. Before we dive into that, I just want to explain to you first the idea behind brush calligraphy so that you'll be able to imitate that when we do this. So basically, in calligraphy, there is what you call a thick and thin line. All right. So the thick line, these are the lines that are going down. So every time you write a letter and you're going down, those are what you call downstrokes. So the downstrokes, they are the thick line, and because it's going towards you or going down the paper. And the thin line is what you call the upstroke. So this is usually achieved when you don't put pressure on your brush pen. But since we'll be using the fine liners, obviously it's not brush. So when you write, it won't give you that thick and thin line, right? But what's nice about this is that all you have to do in faux calligraphy is that you just have to go back and draw another line to imitate that thick line. So what do I mean by that? So with the word hello, we know that this line over here is going down, right? This line over here is also going down. This first part of the letter E is going down. This part of the L is going down. And this part is going down. And this part also is going down. So there you go. You already have that faux calligraphy. So how will you make it even more like a faux calligraphy? You can either shade it or you can put design on it. So this time I'm using the GR1. Hopefully you can see it on your screen. It's a really nice shade of green, or you can even really shade it like that, right? So there are different ways to do it. Later on, we'll be doing a project where we will be combining everything. But that's basically how you do a faux calligraphy. Very easy, and all you have to do is make sure that you know the thin line and the thick line so that you can go back and do the second line for you to shade or decorate. So another thing that you have to remember is that when you write a letter a phrase, you just have to make sure there's enough space for everything, right? So you can have another line. So let's say I'm gonna write the word love. I'm just gonna write it a little bit farther from each other, so that when I go back and do the second line, I have enough space for it. So there you go. Voila!